Hello everyone! Today you'll see the repair of a Mercedes S-Class. So, the owner brought the car in, hoping that the repair wouldn't take much effort and would be quick. And I thought the same at first. So I decided to repair the car without a frame machine. But how wrong we were. Alright. I'm driving the car into the workshop and starting to take apart the front. I was brought all the parts for the repair. So let's get started. So the front is disassembled. After taking some measurements, I realized that I needed to make some corrections. And these are the frame rails. They need to be pulled to the right, and I also need to adjust the wing shelf. So I built this kind of setup, and I'm getting ready to install the frame rails back in place. And these are the frame rails. They need to be pulled to the right, and I also need to adjust the wing shelf. So I built this kind of setup, and I'm getting ready to install the frame rails back in place. A support at the root of the right frame rail, a brace for the frame rails, and a jack that I'll be pushing against the wall to position the frame rails back in place. Well then, let's get started. All efforts were in vain. I wasn't able to position the frame rails back in place this way. I installed the brace on the frame machine. I decided to measure the subframe. And I was right. The subframe was deformed. So I didn't manage to get anything done. Why didn't I measure it earlier? Alright, I unscrewed the front bolts of the subframe, and I think now the work will go faster. I measured the larger rods. All good. So I'm done with the larger rods. Now I'll fix the wing shelf. So I've prepped everything. Now I'm installing the front parts and checking the gaps. My work is done. This work took 27 hours. And that's all for today. This was Arthur. Subscribe to my new videos. Bye.